Welcome to another session of this video. In the previous video, we looked at sorting data in a query. Today, we are going to look at how we can apply a few conditions that can give us the desired data from the query. Now, I have started from the query English, and this is the query that returns only the values of marks that students scored in the English language. Now we may wish to apply a condition. For example, I'm seeing I have about 4 or 5 students who scored 52%, and we wish to return, or wish the query to return only number of or rather the names of students or details of or records of students who scored 52 marks. So we shall go ahead and have the view changed to design view, although we'll also look at SQL view for that matter. So of the rows that are down here, you can see that there is a field which we have already talked about. The table, it must be the same. If there are more than one tables, then we shall still have the tables selected. Now, we talked yesterday about the sort that will be sorting. The last time we looked at it, sorting descending. So show gives us the option to either show the record or not. Now the conditions that we are looking at now will be under the criteria, and there can be more criteria. So our issue here is so that we can have the records returned where max student squad is 52. So in that case, we shall say give us the record of students who scored English max of 52. So we shall put it as equal to 52. So when we run, we only have records of students who scored max of 52. Once we have this, we want to put, or rather to this query to return values of students or records of students who scored 52 marks and above. So this will be equal to, greater than or equal to 52. So when we run, you can see that the students marks are now displayed 52 marks and above. Also notice that the marks are ascended, are sorted descending from our sort criteria. Now, if we want only students who have marks greater than 52, we shall use the right arrow only, which denotes greater than 52. So when we run this, you can see that now the lowest score is 53, because 52 is the condition is greater than 52. Now we can also talk about students who scored less than 52. So when you look at that now, you have 51 down all the way to 17. I think the last time we talked about was 17. So that is the first instance. Now, what if we want to look at this equation in the SQL view? Now we shall come to SQL view, and for this you can see that we have select statement, admission number, name, class, English. From the table, imported student details, where English is less than 52. Also order by English descending. Let's change this. Let us change it to greater than 50. And then we just order it by English. Yesterday, in the previous video, we saw that even if you order by English alone, it orders ascending. So that's what we want to do. Now I'm going to run, and as you can see, not only has the query given us the records of students who scored greater than 50, it has also sorted ascending, the highest being the topmost record being the lowest, and the lowermost record being the highest.